Get ready for a shockwave in the tech world. Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is about to revolutionize the game. If you're a loyal fan of the Ultra series, you won't want to miss this explosive news. So let's dive right in. First, a quick flashback. Remember when Samsung shook things up by discontinuing the iconic Galaxy Note series in 2020? Well, they didn't leave us hanging. The Galaxy S22 Ultra inherited the Note's legacy, sporting a bold new design and S Pen support that stole our hearts. The sharp corners and boxy look gave the Ultra a unique vibe that set it apart from the crowd. And it all started with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung's about to shake things up again with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Reliable insider Ice Universe reveals that the next-gen Ultra will ditch its signature boxy design for curved or rounded corners, similar to other Samsung models. But here's the twist, it's drawing inspiration from the infamous Galaxy Note 7. Most Samsung phones already have curved designs, so why fix what ain't broke? The boxy look has been a staple of the Ultra series since 2022, but it seems Samsung's new design head, Hubert H. Lee, is switching things up. Lee reportedly wants a more seamless look with flat displays and edges, which could explain the move to rounded corners. And get this, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's curves might be as sleek as the Note 7's. This bold redesign is a risky move, especially since fans love the current boxy look. But will it pay off? The camera system on the S25 Ultra is also impressive, with advanced features like improved low-light performance and enhanced portrait mode. Capture stunning photos and videos like never before. And with a large battery and power-efficient design, you can enjoy all your favorite activities without worrying about running out of juice. The S25 Ultra is the perfect companion for your busy lifestyle. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to get a whole lot sleeker. Reports indicate that Samsung's latest flagship will be the thinnest Ultra model yet, making it a breeze to hold and use, even with its large display and powerful internals. But the big question is, are you ready to say goodbye to the boxy design? Samsung's bold move to rounded corners has got everyone talking. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you loving the new look or missing the sharp edges?